This is Vanessa Martinez doing a third grade lesson over pictographs.
Hello, class.
Hello.
Okay, today for our math lesson we're going to be talking about graphs again. When we talk about graphs, what is the main thing we need in order to create a graph?
The data.
Data, right. Can you tell me what data is?
It's how much, like the numbers and...
Yes, that's right. That's the numbers we gather. What else? Can anybody else tell me?
pieces of information often in a chart or graph.
That's correct. Okay, so this data is what we use, the information we gather of what we're looking at in order to create a graph. Yesterday we went over line graphs and bar graphs. Can somebody come and show me what a line graph looks like? Okay, good job. Can somebody come and draw a bar graph for me?
Mama.
Great job. So now we know this is what a line graph looks like and this is what a bar graph looks like. Today we're going to go over what? Pictographs. A pictograph is a graph that uses pictures to display the data or the data. Okay? So today we're going to start off by doing a simple activity. Okay? I'm going to pass out some index cards to each one of these. And on your index card, you're going to write your name. After you have written your name, I want you to count how many vowels you have in your name. And then write it down on your index card. Okay, so today we're going to create a pictograph using data from our class. If we want to display the amount of vowels in each student's name and create a graph, what would be a good title to put on this graph?
Vowels of people's names.
Good job. Vowels of people's names. So we'll go ahead and title that. This is our title of our graph. Okay. Now for our graph we're going to use stars. Okay? Which that is our picture that's going to go represent the data on our pictograph. Okay? So we're going to use stars. And each star is going to represent one student. Okay, so as I call your name, I want you to come and put your star that represents yourself wherever it should be on the pictograph. So if you have 1 to 3 vowels, your star would go here, 4 to 6 here, 7 to 9 here, and more than 9 here. Okay? So let's start with Natalia. Where would you place your star on the class pictograph? You can come up. Place your star wherever it corresponds to. have how many vowels in your name?
4.
So you have 4. So therefore it goes in the 4 to 6. What's this called?
A line.
Row. Row. Good job. Okay. Nayeli. Awesome. How many vowels do you have in your name?
3.
3. So you're in the 1 to 3 row. Daisy? Another 1 to 3. How many vowels do you have in your name?
2.
2. Good job. Lexus? How many vowels do you have?
2.
2. Okay. So where would your star go? In the 1 to 3? Okay.
I'm going to a sweet $10 star.
All right. Good job. And Mom, I'm going to go ahead and put my name. And my name has 3 vowels. So I'm also going to go on the first row. Okay. So looking at this, which row has the most data?
1 through 3.
1 through 3. Okay. So, given the information, which one is our highest rank?
1, 2, 3.
How many stars do we have in the first row?
4.
4. And on the second row?
1.
1. So do we have any in the 7 to 9 or the more than 9 row?
No.
No. That is right. Now say we were to do the same information, but this time each star is going to equal 2 students. Okay? How would this change? Can somebody come up and show me how the graph would change? Okay. First off, let me ask you this. As a class, is the labeling on our pictograph going to change? Our labels?
Yes.
Okay, how would they change? If each star is equal to 2 students, how would our label for each row change?
The numbers will get higher.
Okay, so what would be a good way to display our information for this class on this pictograph?
It'll be 10. No. It'll be, because it's 1 through 3, it'll be 2 through 6.
Okay, so you want to go ahead and write that? Okay. What would we do for our next column? Our next drawing?
The 8 through 12.
And the next one?
14 through 18.
Okay.
And then that one's more than 20.
More than 20. Good job. Okay, so go ahead and put our data now. Now that the graph or our pictograph has changed, how would we display our data on that pictograph?
5. Because we have those.
You're close. You're very close. Okay, so this, if each star equals 2 students, then this right here means this would equal how many stars? These 2 stars would equal how many?
1.
1 star over here. Okay, so we have 1. These 2 stars here would equal
1.
another star. So how many stars would we have to remove here?
2.5.
That's correct. That's right. That's a very good job. Because we still have this one down here that is from 4 to 6, but because our graph changed, we are here now 2 to 6. So this one would move up to the first row. And you're right, because it only is 1 star, it would just be 2 as a half. Good job. Okay, so now we did this together on your own as a group in pairs of 2. I want you to write your complete name. First name and last name.